Hello, little kitties. It's Mamma Nicole for another edition of Mamma Nicole Reads to Cats. And today I have an exciting book because I'm going to read it in English and in Spanish. So if you're a Spanish speaker at home and you would like to hear it in Spanish, stay tuned for the second part, la segunda parte, that I will read in Español for all my Spanish-speaking friends and kitties. So this beautiful book today is an affirmation book. And what that means is it's a book that builds you up to help you feel good and to help you know who you are and how important you are, because you are so important. Just like how we talk when we talk about reading. So fun. You are so great, just as you are. So with that, I have no kitties around right now. Guess what? It's their nap time. And a lot of times during the day, they sleep. And one of them, Jazzy, the big fluffy black one, sometimes when he's sleeping, he snores. And it's really funny. He goes, and his little whiskers wobble. Maybe we'll try to get a picture of that for you guys. So, without further ado, we will start the English language version of a most beautiful affirmation book called I Am, the I Am affirmation book. Are you ready? Let's go. I am discovering the value of who you are. I can't think of a better thing to do. I am. And I am made from love, which also made the rainbow, the flower, the sea, and the dove. I am, and with everything, I am one. The plants, the trees, the animals, the stars, moon, and sun. I am priceless. There's nothing worth more than me, whether it's the whole world or the smallest thing you can see. You are priceless. I am greatness. I know others are greatness too. If you ask me about yourself, I will tell you, so are you, greatness. I am infinite. Infinite. Inside me, there is a treasure of gifts I can give to everyone, too countless for me to measure. Look at all those gifts. Try to make it so you can see. All the gifts that you are, because you're infinite. Your abundance, creativity, laughter, faith, friendship, beauty, kindness, joy, blessings, peace, happiness, gentleness, all that is in you right now. I am worthy. So there is nothing here on earth to keep me from my good or take away my worth, because you're always worthy. Look at that. Look at that turtle in the rainbow. Worthy of all good things. I am joy. And everywhere I go, people have to stop to appreciate my glow, because I'm so joyful, because you're so joyful inside. Look at that. Joy. I am proud, and so I stand up tall. I give a smile to everyone as I greet them all. Look at that family. Hello, everyone. Hi. Proud to be who you are. Always be yourself. I am powerful because of the greatness that's in me. It's the truth of who I am, the truth I am to be. Look at that. Powerful, like the sun. You are powerful. I am strong, and I know how unique I am. I have what it takes to be the me I am. So she looks out onto the horizon and the rainbow and the dolphin and the other animals because she's strong. You're strong. I am vision. So A, B, C, D, E. I am vision. Seeing the plan that's in store for me, I listen when I'm quiet to my heart, which holds the key. Always listen to your heart because you have vision inside yourself. I am somebody. Oh, I love that one. I am somebody. Yes, somebody I am. And I can see a dream in me that I am part of a great plan. Your life has a great plan. I am somebody. Don't you ever forget it, no matter who you are. I am confidence. Regardless of what others say or do, I simply believe in myself and the dream I've set my mind to. So look at that. There she is, reading her books, because books are so fun. Reading her books. And there she is, confident, doing her own thing. You too can be confident to be exactly who you are. I am patience. And even if things go wrong, I know inside me very well that they'll turn around before too long. Look at patience. Patience, little grasshopper, as they say. Always be patient because a famous saying is, this too shall pass. I am success. Look at that. Look at how she leaps. She's leaping over. And what I start, I sure can do. I simply practice the things I've set my mind to. That's how you can be successful, isn't it? Try again. That's what they say. If at first you don't succeed, try again. And mastery takes practice. So you are success. Leap! Look at that bunny. That bunny made it over the log. Pretty rad. I am excellence. And if it's a mistake I think I've made, I can learn a lot from it to help the plan I've laid. So, you are excellence. I am wholeness. I'm wholeness. I love the body that I'm in. I accept myself and others. When I come from love, I win, and you win too. You are wholeness, and someone else is wholeness too. I am honest. Look, they're having a talk, aren't they? And if we disagree, I talk about my feelings, respecting you as well as me. When you share your feelings from a place of honesty and love, that's the best you can do. I am persistence. I face my fears head on, and as I stand to face them, one by one, they're gone. I am persistent. Look, there she is. Oh, is she practicing her singing? What's she doing? She's persistent. I am brave, and I allow myself to feel each feeling that I have. It's part of being real. So always be brave. Be brave to face whatever it is that's happening. Right now is a very challenging time, isn't it? We're all at home. We're studying from home. We can't go to school. We wear our masks everywhere. We don't get to go to the places. We maybe can't see our families. I know I can't see my family. So remember always to be brave, because you are brave. I am attractive. Look at her. Look at her. They're all attractive, I think. I am attractive, and I make friends and be the gift I am to everyone, the gift I am to me. So you radiate your goodness. You look good, you feel good, you feel good, you look good. You are attractive, always. I am helpful. Look at them working together. I am helpful, knowing it's my hand that I can lend. If my friend is hurting, my heart will help them mend. That's nice, isn't it? Always remember that you can be helpful to anybody who's hurting. And you know you can be helpful, and they can be helpful to you. I am brilliance. There she is. I am brilliance, and of all the things I know, helping one another is the greatest way to grow. Just like being helpful, but be brilliant, and in your helpfulness, you get brighter and brighter, like the star that you are. I am generous. Look at that. The bunny's giving the bird a beautiful flower. I am generous. So the more good I give, the more that I receive, and the happier I live. Generosity is everything. The more you give, the more you get back inside. Deep inside, it's the best feeling. It's more than any real gift. It's the gift in your heart. I am peaceful. Look at them peacefully taking their nap outside in nature. And I love the grass so green. When I'm lying down in it, it makes me king or queen. I am freedom. And on a breezy summer night, I love to see the stars, the moon, its shape, and its light. Because look at that beautiful bird and the bunny sitting in, and the turtle. They're all free. You are freedom. I am abundance. And in nature, I am rich. I count its many blessings. There's one in every niche. There is a blessing everywhere we look. Everywhere. There's always a blessing. And that means that you have abundance inside of you. There they are. I am grateful. And the way that I believe is giving thanks for what I have and for what I will receive. Be grateful. So there they are, appreciating the rain that's nurturing the crops that will grow the food, with the sun and the bird and our beautiful friend. You are grateful. And the more grateful you can be, the more happy you are inside. I am healthy. Being balanced all around, I eat good food and I exercise. I am healthy by the pound. There they are. Look at them. They are under the nice sun, having their healthy snacks. You are healthy and you can be healthy. I am wisdom. Thinking good with every thought, being guided from within. My direction is self-taught. You have a wise mind and you can use it. There's that bunny. Being wise, educating themselves. You can do that too. That's what we're doing right now, isn't it? Reading to each other, reading to you, my little kitties, reading to my kitties. We're taking their nap. You are wisdom. I am loving in each and every way. In fact, it's what I tell myself at the start of each new day. Looking in the mirror, saying, I am loving. I am loving. And there they are, loving each other. Those beautiful foxes, huh? Every day you can choose to be loving. Now I know who I am. And when I close my eyes, I see the incredible child that I am. The I am, that is me. You are. That's who you are. That's the I Am book by Steve Viglione. And I think he wrote this with his partner, a female, might be his wife, I don't know for sure, but I think that is such a wonderful book to remind yourself of all the amazing things that you are. You are loving, you are grateful, you are powerful, you are patient. You are all of those things each and every day, and you can remember that. So, thank you so much. I'm going to do a second reading of this. I'll do it in a different video, in Español. So, thank you again. Remember the you that you are, my little kitties, and how great you are each and every day. I'm grateful for you, for listening. I'm grateful for you being you, and I'm grateful to be me. Because guess what? You and I are connected, right? We are abundance. We are connected. We are one. Remember that, everybody you meet. Have a happy, healthy day, my little kitties. What is reading? So fun. Thank you. Bye. Adios.